Okay, so this is a demonstration of the big squeegee. Just arrived yesterday by courier. The new model is aluminum. The old one was plastic. Not sure why they changed. It comes with a protective covering on it. And in the operator's manual it says if you're applying transfer tape to leave the protective covering on. Otherwise, for laminate, lamination, to take it off. And also it will apply digital prints, digital media. Okay, so what I have today is a piece of laminate here that I'm using for testing, and I've already taped it down, and so just as you would put any other film on, you just lift back the liner a bit. I guess you can roll it up or whatever. There is a slot on the top for rolls. I think that's maybe for bigger stuff. So you're supposed to hold it at an angle. I don't have any experience at this, except that I will tell you about it in a second. How this works is, once you get the backing off, then you just push it at an angle. I'm going to use both hands here and apply it. And that looks very good. No bubbles. Of course, I'm putting it on coroplast. If there are any small bubbles, you'll likely get rid of it. Now, for the bad news is, after I received it yesterday, I tried to apply a piece of digital media, printed digital media. I tried to apply it on there, and that didn't work out so well. I wasted at least 2 pieces, one large and one small. So I got a little bit more testing to do on that. It does say that with thin backing, a lot of some materials come with thinner backings, and it doesn't work as well with thinner backings, at least until you get used to it. This worked very well, obviously. I give it 5 points, I'd say, for lamination. Now for the digital media, I'm not so sure. Further testing will be required, and this is my demonstration for the big squeegee. It costs, this one is a 34-inch model. They have a 32, but we're out of stock. My printer is a 30-inch printer, 30-inch roll-on. And so, but that's just fine. You probably should go wider than the media, you know, to get a little bit of overlap on your print. And so so far so good. This cost 150 Canadian dollars. I don't know what that is in the US, but probably about 110. And so thank you for watching.